Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if this is gonna be a new vlog or it's gonna be a continuation of a vlog that I've already started. I'm not sure, I don't know yet. But anyway, welcome back, or let's just continue. Going to town. I'm going to town to buy a few things that we couldn't buy or that we didn't buy during the week, because tomorrow we are expecting people that are coming from the, what am I saying, because tomorrow kuzaba kwenyana. Okay, masiyeke English. Tomorrow kuzaba kwenyana, or mchana wami okuphiwe uyalotyolwa. They are actually coming for the second time now. They came the first time last year, 2023 April. So now they are coming for the second time. So when they come for the second time, we have to prepare for them. We prepare for them, we make umqombothi, we invite a few people like neighbors. It's nothing big, but it's bigger than what it was when they came for the first time. So we make umqombothi, we do, like, there's lunch, we invite a few people. So there's a few things that we think we need, that we feel we need, ne? So now I'm going to Kokstad. I'm going to town to get those. It's about 6:40 in the morning. It's gonna be very busy, so I want to get all those things and come back quickly. Ne? I have to go. I don't wanna be in town the whole day because we're gonna be very busy today preparing for tomorrow. Yeah. So I just wanted to introduce the vlog, and then let's go to Kokstad. Yeah. Njani? Skona. Sorry? 9 kg. Enkosi. Enkosi. Yo. Sit up.
I've heard people say too much of anything is not good for you, baby. I don't know about that.
Oh, famous. Wow, rich. Say millionaire. Brutal fruit. Nakhona i-brutal fruit uthe ndiqale ndimfowunela ukuze babone uba ii-price zihamba njani. Nantsi into eqhutywayo. Oh, yalapha. Lena lona bango-270 275. Ebeke wayithenga ke le kodwa ngotya bekhona ngoku nge-first. Kodwa ndimxelele uba kusekhona yona. Hayi, noba uyibetha ayibetha iplastiki noba uyibethanga. Nazi neziviyena zakhe. Ufuna neziviyena. Ufuna ya nantsi chili martin ntoni. Andoni mama ndithathe endlini xa sisodwa udla uthenga le 127. Okanye ndakwazi ube khona abantu mhlawumbe ndithathe le 175 le.
Let me call you and tell you.
Next customer, please. Teller 1.
Cash.
Next customer, please. Teller 7. Next customer.
Yeah, too. I'm gonna hold the milk. 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 No! I'm gonna put it
Eh? Yho, ezi nkukhu ezi. Hey, Imani. Ndithi ndithathe le rhasi. Ayisindi ke bawo. Yho, ayisindi.